But immigration, in some ways, intersects all of those other different issues. Because immigration, especially immigration for the undocumented, affects your families, potentially your families, your children. More importantly, it affects your community. It affects your neighbors. It affects your co-workers. It affects the children who go to school with your children. It affects the people who go to your church with you. So Latinos are very interconnected in their immigration status with many other people. So 70% of all Latinos in the United States are either, today, all Latinos, 70% of all Latinos are either immigrants or have one parent who's an immigrant. 38% of all Latinos in the United States today, 38% were not born in this country. Another 32% have one parent who wasn't born in this country. That's how you get the 7. 38 plus 32, right, equals 70, right? Only 30% are third generation or more. Okay. That hasn't always been the case. When I was born in the mid-1950s, the largest segment we can estimate now from the census of Latinos who are in the United States were third generation or more. That shifted because of the tremendous immigration that we have had since the 1980s. That's caused a significant generational shift, which means there's been a shift in the importance of immigration to Latino politics, to the politics of Mexican Americans, Cuban Americans, Puerto Ricans, Dominican Americans, all of those folks in the United States, right? Immigration has become much more important because it's much more a reality for our community than it has been in the past. Now that's expected to change over the course of time. You're going to get a different generational distribution, but right now that's a really big issue in our community because that is our community of today.